Hi, this video is meant to give you just a visual on the guidance that the course website has for you to write up a conclusion section. So again, if you go to the course website and click on Technical Report Draft 1, and then scroll down to Conclusion, we'll start from there. So conclusion is, in short, is just summing up your experiment. And how I have it here is that your conclusion is to be limited to 1/4 of the page. And two steps here. First step is to write a paragraph that summarizes the purpose of the experiment and how the purpose was accomplished. And then step 2 is to state what overall conclusions can be drawn from the data that you collected. So draft up your conclusions based on that. Then you can go to Technical Report Draft 2 and scroll down to the conclusion here. The conclusions will be based on again, the grading on it is based on the evaluation for the first draft technical report that you will be writing for experiment number 8. And in this case, the conclusions are only based on one criterion, and it properly restates the purpose and draws conclusions. So just reading from what I have here, a good conclusion takes you back to the larger purpose or hypothesis of the lab as stated in the introduction. The conclusion is meant to end the report with a final take-home message of the experiment. You can improve your conclusion by first making a clear statement of the purpose or hypothesis. So go back to the purpose of the lab as you presented it in your introduction. The experiment is supposed to be designed around accomplishing the purpose or proving or disproving the hypothesis. Then go back to the results and see how they led to accomplishing the purpose or proving or disproving the hypothesis. And finally, summarize the above 2 items in 5 or less sentences. That should be overall what your conclusions are. If you want an example, as you know, if you go under Forms and Documents, click on Technical Report Example, bring that up. That should bring up the technical report example that I drafted for the class. Scroll down to Conclusions, and you should see a drafted conclusions for you to look at. Okay, that's it. Again, the conclusions is short. It's a short video. It's just meant to kind of show you what's available at the website and the steps to go through. Again, the steps being look under Technical Report Draft 1 link to first draft up your conclusions. Go to Technical Report Draft 2 link to improve upon the conclusions, and then you can use the technical report example as a means to start. If you have any questions, again, you always let me know, and I'll be available to help with any questions you might have in regards to this.